We rebuilt Tin Pines into a thriving logging town. Sawmills are running, the wood supply is expanding, and settlements finally have the materials they need to grow. But there's a problem. You can't build when you're thirsty. So what's next for us? I guess we're building a water trade town.
Maybe you heard a rumor about Stockton's caravan and a certain compound? So, hypothetically, let's say there's something to that.
Please, help me.
Please, stranger, just stay clear of the compound.
So they gather people up, torture them, and all for the safe test? The sick bastards need to be put down.
Maybe you can find out where those bastards are coming from and put a stop to it. Run, right?
Covenant is now ours. When we arrived at Covenant, it was clear the town's old residents left in a hurry. So we brought in supplies and a few people willing to ignore the settlement's recent history. It was time to start rebuilding.
This time, this place, miss you, mistake, too long, too late. Who was I to make you wait? Just one chance, just one breath, just in case there's just one left, 'cause you know.
And so we rebuilt the town. When we discovered Covenant was sitting on one of the largest freshwater sources in the region, we asked ourselves a simple question. How much machinery can we fit on it? Welcome to the Purified Water Plant, the beating heart of Covenant's economy. Here we can see a small caravan waiting. Traders do stop by every day to stock up on purified water. Turns out people enjoy knowing where their water comes from. Now let's take a look at the purifier array. The lake here holds a lot of water, and these machines operate around the clock. They're also constantly guarded and maintained by the Minutemen. All of the pipelines eventually lead back to the main processing machine in the warehouse. This is where the water is inspected, filtered again, and packaged for distribution. Every bottle that leaves Covenant passes through this facility. Which means if something goes wrong, we can confidently blame this guy.
Hello, sir.
The plant also includes sleeping quarters for workers. The dormitories allow maintenance crews and operators to stay close to the facility at all times. And finally, the defense outpost. From here, Minutemen guards watch over the roads day and night. The outpost gives us a clear view of approaching traders, caravans, and potential threats. Their job is simple: keep the water flowing and the facility secure. After all, thousands of settlers depend on this operation every day. Of course, a water plant doesn't run itself. Operating a facility of this size requires enough workers to keep everything running around the clock. A place where workers can live close to their jobs, traders can stop and do business, and travelers can find a safe place to rest. Water may be the settlement's main product, but people are what keep the operation alive. That's why the Minutemen didn't just build a water plant. We built a town around it. Welcome to Covenant. Now let's head into the town. Before entering Covenant, all visitors must stop at the guardhouse. Every trader, traveler, and caravan passes through here first. Unlike the previous management, we only ask a reasonable number of questions. Like any successful town, Covenant has developed its own local economy. The general store provides supplies for residents, travelers, and caravan companies.
Hello.
Just across the street is the local Minutemen headquarters. This serves as the command center for Covenant and the surrounding region. The first floor is home to the town's weapons and ammunition store, supplying Minutemen patrols, caravan guards, and residents with the tools they need to survive in the Commonwealth. Above the shop, Minutemen officers oversee the day-to-day security of Covenant. This serves as the command center for Covenant and the surrounding region. Patrol routes are planned here, power armor is maintained, and guards have their rooms inside. The rooftop houses the settlement's main power generator. It also serves as a storage area for construction materials, spare parts, and other supplies needed to keep Covenant running. It's not the most glamorous warehouse in the Commonwealth, but it does have an excellent view. And here is Deezer's bar and lemonade stand.
Looks like a decent enough place. So, you know, thanks for giving us the chance.
Now right here is the Barn Buffet, the settlement's primary eatery, and the best buffet in the Commonwealth. The buffet serves everyone. Plant workers, Minutemen guards, traders, travelers. If you're in Covenant, you're welcome to grab a meal. And the food's actually pretty good, too.
It's nice to have a positive outlook on the future for once.
The Nuka-Cola machine seems to be broken, though. Oh well, I guess we gotta go get lemonade.
Oh, I think I ate too much.
I'll show you the toilets then. They're right here.
Commonwealth right here.
A town this busy needs a place to keep people healthy. Whether it's treating injuries, radiation exposure, or the occasional workplace accident, the clinic is always open.
I buy and sell. Just put up everything you got, and let's see if we can make a deal.
For visitors staying overnight, we have the Covenant Hostel, offering safe accommodations for traders and caravan guards.
Yeah?
Now let's take a look at where the locals sleep and call home.
Huh?
Huh?
These homes provide housing for the workers, guards, merchants, and families that keep the settlement running.
Yes?
Huh?
Yeah?
Hey, Scava. Let's trade.
Next up is the mayor's office. The office is also equipped with a settlement-wide security camera system. For security purposes, of course.
Things need shaking up. Get some guys that have half a brain, at least. Morons, all of them.
These days, the mayor's biggest concern is making sure the town runs smoothly, which is still easier than trying to determine who's a synth. The place isn't too bad for a town whose previous business model was kidnapping its guests. Before leaving, all visitors are encouraged to make use of Covenant's complimentary anti-radiation spray station. And with that, our tour of Covenant comes to an end.
General, we've got a situation up north. Our patrols have located an abandoned quarry occupied by a large raider force. The site contains substantial concrete reserves and could become a valuable resource for the Minutemen.